Most students get this wrong, but it's actually very simple. We are given 4 raised to x equals x raised to 8. To solve this, apply the same power to both sides, 1 over 8x. Now simplify the powers carefully. This becomes 4 raised to 1 over 8 equals x raised to 1 over x. Now focus on the left side. Rewrite 4 as 2 squared. So it becomes 2 squared, whole power 1 over 8. Multiply the powers, 2 raised to 2 over 8. Simplify. 2 raised to 1 over 4. Now rewrite it to match the form x power 1 over x. Write 2 power 4 over 16. This becomes 2 power 4, whole power 1 over 16. So we get 16 raised to 1 over 16. Now both sides are in the same form. So, x equals 16.